So we've just finished up this incredible custom off-grid canopy package in this Chevy 2500. We have a 310 amp hour lithium battery. This is paired with a Victron 3000 inverter with a couple of outlets throughout the canopy, which allow it to power 240 appliances, whether it be the coffee machine, charging a laptop, you name it. We have a 30 amp solar controller. This is paired with 400 watts of solar on the roof, so easily keep the fridge nice and cold and the battery topped up when we're traveling off grid. We have a 50 amp DC to DC charger. This will allow us to charge the battery system from the alternator while you're driving along. The reason these two are split up is our solar and our DC will combine together to give us really fast charge rates. We have our solar breaker and our AC breaker easily accessible on the side. And we have our fusing here. As you can see, the attention to detail from the team at Ozzy is just outstanding. Everything is clearly labeled and nice and easily accessible if you need to get to a fuse, which I think is a great point of difference from the team here. We have a Victron battery monitor, which on our main control panel is displayed. You can see the percentage power coming in and out of your battery system. Various sockets throughout so we can charge devices like iPads, phones, drones, everything on the go. We have lighting in all our canopy doors, all contained from the one battery system. With this system, you can comfortably and reliably go off grid with all your creature comforts. If this is something you want in your vehicle, reach out to the team at Ozzy Auto Electrics.